I'm Jean and I'm the one behind the baking cart. Started baking cart when my granduncle passed away around the circuit breaker period last year. And one way I was trying to cope was through baking because of the quality of our bakes. So many bakes outside, if you notice, they're all very sweet. And that's one thing that I try to focus on is the sugar content in the bakes that I sell. The cost for baking cart is actually a lot lower than outside prices because as a student I also understand that we all do not have that kind of high expenditure. I always enjoyed giving and that's why I started the Bake It Forward movement. So not just my profit is inculcated into the ingredients, I also spend more time to bake more cookies and then after that we'll deliver them to the hospitals to thank all our healthcare workers. And my vision for Baking Cart is to become an actual bakery.